Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 5th of February and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 shout out. For all of you who've been really keeping fit, but not only keeping fit, working so hard. And you'll see throughout these shout outs, lots of you keeping fit, doing lots and lots of exercise and also working really hard. It is very impressive. It's the last shout out assembly of this half term, because next week it's presentation assembly. So look out next Friday for all those amazing certificates that's going to be coming home to all of you at home who've been working so hard. So keep it up, everyone. Thank you. And thank you for all of the posts so far, keeping fit and working hard. Not going to see a great deal of me this morning, so I'm going to video nice and close up so we can really see these children. Massive shout outs to all of them. Here they are. Here we are, we're kicking off with Miss Musselwhite Superstars. We've got a mix now here of those keeping fit and those working really hard and posting non-stop. So we've got Kenzie, Cornelius, Goda, Emilia, Kendrick and Diego playing tennis, absolutely superb. And then Jessica using her skipping app and We Fit, keeping absolutely fit. Well done, Jessica, you superstar. It's lovely to see those keeping fit exercise. Keep it up, hun. Keep doing it. And hopefully when you return back to school, you'll be as fit as everyone. And then we've also got then Bart, Jessica, Oliver, Joshua, Zane and Bianca on Spelling Shed, Timetable Rockstar, just working non-stop, you six. Really well done. I know Miss Musselwhite is super proud of you, so keep it up, guys. And thank you so much. You absolute superstars. Moving on, Miss Barrett's. Look at this, Fitness Fanatics. You got Reese, Riley, Bella, Oliver, Mia, Reggie, Eliza, and Kobe. Absolutely. Bella getting out cycling. Oliver helping, walking the dog. Absolutely good exercise. Reggie doing your keep fit as well. And Mia, look at that trampolining. Look at the height. It's amazing. So really well done, guys. Keep that Fitness Fanatics going. Keep yourself fit. It'll keep you healthy. It helps with our mental health and really helps us to do our work as well. So well done, guys. Let's keep it up. Moving on, we've got Miss White. Look at this. We've got Eva, Pandora, Christopus, Joseph, Khaleesi, Charlemagne, Max, Mahia, Mia, Milana, and Jakisha, all keeping absolutely active with you out on your bikes, doing your keep fit. You know, Christopus out on the BMX track there, Charlemagne going out for a walk, and be careful on that tree there. Everyone out running, it's fantastic to see you guys keeping yourselves fit, keeping yourselves healthy, getting out there and doing lots and lots of exercise. So really well done, guys, and keep it up. I know Miss White was really impressed with all the posts that appeared. So really well done, everyone, and keep on being active. Moving on, look at Mr. Pinner. You've got Oliver, you've got Ivor, you've got Michael, Claudia, Botan, Ruben, Gemma, Olivia, Dylan and Ria. Absolutely, all of you keeping so fit. Lots of different ways of keeping fit. It's out on bikes, doing your various exercises, doing trampolining, doing your skipping, out on your whatever that might be. It's brilliant, guys. So really well done. Gemma, they look far too heavy. If you look at those massive weights there, you absolute superstar. Really well done. Super effort. I know Mr. Pinner was so impressed, and I know Mr. Pinner's been keeping up with his fitness and doing his workouts every morning as well. So well done, Mr. Pinner, and well done, Mr. Pinner's class. Moving on. Now I have got an amazing video for you to watch. Just watch this little bit of video now of Botan. Check this out. Oh my word, wasn't he amazing? Botan, that is phenomenal. What boxing skills, amazing. Dodging, ducking, I can't believe you didn't get hit by it as it bounced back. You are superb, what a boxer. Brilliant, buddy, keep that up. I am so impressed. And actually, I want to have a go at your boxing bag. It looks so much fun as well. Put a huge smile on my face. Thank you so much for posting that, and keep it up, buddy. Well done, absolute superstar, well done. Moving on now onto Mr. Davison's stuff. Look at these. You've got Scarlett, you've got Katie, you've got Mason, Angel and Daniel, all working so hard. Well done, guys. Thank you for all of that work you are posting. Please keep it up. Mr. Davison's so impressed with you guys, so please do keep it up. And those who are keeping fit as well. We've got Summer, we've got Neve, and we've got Emily. Unbelievable, just so much keeping fit, so many posts about keeping fit, so superb, guys. Keep that up, keep it on, because when we return back to school, you're going to be fit as everyone and just be able to carry on and work just as hard as we've done back in September through October, November and December. So well done, guys, keep it up. Absolute, so proud of you, and so is Mr. Davidson. Moving on. Miss Percy's, look at all this home learning stars, for engaging with home learning and working hard. Honestly, Lorenzo, Chloe, Dominic, Caden, Callum, Jeffrey, Luke, Alex, Zara, Aston, Damien, Daniil, Nikita, Edric, Scarlett, Sky, and Cody. Come on, guys, that is just phenomenal. Miss Percy has been so impressed with your learning this week. Come on. And you can see there, coming next week, return of the secret student. So look out for that. Again, year sixes. So I know Mr. Davidson and Miss Percy are going to be doing that. So look out for secret students. And really well done, all of you. It's really impressive. I'm so proud of you, and keep up the amazing work. Moving on, Miss Arthurton Superstars, look at these. Oh my word, look at some of this fitness as well. You've got Lily, Junior, Connor, Lily May, Amelia, Freya, Erica and Ashton there. Milana, Martin, Kieran, Amber, Amelia B, Brooklyn, Logan, Oliver. And then you got Ruben, Damien, Adriel, Joe, and Evie. Amazing, guys. Super keeping fit. Kieran, he's walked over 30 miles this month. He's actually had a challenge for January, and he's walked over 30 miles on his walks. It is amazing, Kieran. I'd give you a special shout out there, because I cannot believe that. You know, when your mum sent that through, it was brilliant. So really well done. You got Martin there doing his weights with his football. Lily doing his boxing as well, a bit like Botan there. And Milana out, on her bike. Logan out running. It's superb, guys. And the rest of you posting so much work as well. It's superb. Miss Arthurton is so impressed. So really well done, guys. Keep it up. Keep working hard. Keep fit as well. And I just want to keep seeing these posts, because it's really lovely to see you guys working so hard. Well done, guys. Thank you. Moving on. Mr. Ackerman, shout out for super learning. Look at these guys, the learning. Honestly, again, Mr. Ackerman was so impressed. Look at this. You've got Daniel, you've got Reese, North, Heather, Alea, Berin, Tilly, Diego, Jack, Thea, and Bailey. Just working non-stop. I know that Mr. Ackerman was so impressed. So keep it up, guys. It's amazing to see you year threes working so hard. So I am really proud of you. You should be proud of yourselves, and just absolutely keep it up, please, guys. It's amazing. Moving on, look, we got finally just a well done to everyone. What an amazing week. Thank you so much, everyone. It's been absolutely superb. No shout out assembly next week. It's presentation assembly next week. So next Friday, look out for that. Look out for those certificates. Lots of you getting certificates next week. So now presentation assembly, no shout out. Have a fantastic week. And until then, bye-bye, everyone.